Hi dynamic members. It so happens that every day our dynamic team sends all the dynamic members a mail about different stocks every day in which trade opportunities have been generated as per dynamic live. And with this there were few dynamic members who had requested earlier that those details that you are sending us, the trade details, it's in a written format. Now since you are all making regular videos, why don't you make a video on these trades as well? Show us in dynamic live how these trades happened, why these trades happened, right? So that's the reason we are doing this video. But at the same time, let me also bring this to your awareness that these trade details that we are sending you is as per the Daumantic method in dynamic live. As you all know that using dynamic live, there are multiple ways to use dynamic live. One amongst them is Daumantic method, which is very easy. Those people who are starter, especially who join us very new, these people prefer trading as per Daumantic method. Those who want things to be very easy, it is for them, isn't it? So in Daumantic method, how does things work? You all know this. All that we do here is we wait, we keep watching to see if Daumantic method action information tells us anything. So if there is a trading opportunity, either a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity, this Daumantic method action information, it will be very clearly written there as buy call option now or buy put option now. So when such an information comes up, that is the time we are about to do a trade. But then just because it says buy call option or buy put option, we just don't jump into any trade, because in the training it's been explained to you very clearly that market situations keep changing, and in order to follow this, there is a very clear written instruction given to all of you. There is a 10 points instruction. 10 points represents 10 different market situations. So in each of these situations, how should you go about trading is what is this instruction all about. So all that you have to do here is, whenever there is a trade opportunity, obviously before it tells you buy call option or buy put option, in the preparation it tells you much in advance, at least 10-15 minutes or at least 30 minutes in advance, that get ready to buy call option or get ready to buy put option. Or even after taking entry, it tells you get ready to exit call option or get ready to exit put option. So when the system does all these things, all that we do here is, whenever it says get ready to buy a call option, now what we do here is, if it tells me to buy a call option, out of this 10 different market situation, which situation does the current scenario fit in? This is all that we have to check. Now out of that, obviously all the 10 different market situations are not going to happen in a single day, isn't it? We are going to come across one different market situation. So we just identify which is the one that suits the current market scenario, and as per that situation, whatever is the instruction given there, just read it and execute it as it is. Nothing else to be done, isn't it? So in the recent week, now this is 7th March when I am discussing this. So 7th March there is a trade that has happened. So in this week, 2 to 3 trades that have been, the details which have been sent across to you on the mail. So regarding that I am about to discuss. Alright. So today 7th March there was this stock called Tatapower. The trade in Tatapower, this is the detail that has been sent to you. Let us see what was this trade. So 7th March at around 10:30 in the morning, alright, in Daumantic method action information, it was very clearly written as buy call option now. So when it said buy call option now, obviously we go check the 10 points instruction. As per that, yes, this was a trade that we were supposed to do, alright. So we did this trade. So when you're trading in options, you have to select the right strike price. But then having dynamic live with you, that's really not an headache, because it's made very easy and you get the strike price automatically here. So there's the call option strike price, 420 strike price call option is what we have selected, and we've got it at around a 9 rupees 60 paise premium. Alright, so we buy this call option. After we bought this call option, the price of this stock Tatapower, it keeps increasing, and as it keeps increasing, at around 2:30 in the afternoon, there is a signal at the top in intraweek, as you can see. This is the DMB OTS signal. As you all know, as explained in the training, whenever you come across a DMBOTS signal, you're supposed to secure your profits. All right. So when we try to do that, this call option that we have already bought, it is now trading at a premium of 23 rupees. So we bought it at 9 rupees 60 paise and we are exiting now at 23 rupees. So in this trade, when you look at the money point of view, what was the investment required and what kind of profits did we earn? First of all, when you're trading the stock in the F&O segment, there is a minimum quantity, the lot size, and it is 3,375 is the minimum quantity per lot. So when we buy this quantity at a premium of 9 rupees 60 paise, the investment required is around 32,400 rupees. This is the investment required. And when we exited at 23 rupees, we've gained a profit of around 45,225. All right. So on your investment, it is literally close to almost 150% return. Is it not? So all that we had to do here is, when this Daumantic method told us to do the trade, when it said buy call option, we just checked whether are we supposed to do this trade. And when we check, yes, it was a clear opportunity. We did it. It told us to exit. We exited. All right. We did not have to do any analysis. We didn't have to predict anything. We just followed the system and the trade happened. The similar way, the previous day, there was this trade about the stock called MGL on 6th of March. Let's see what was this trade about. So in MGL on 6th of March, what happened was the price opened with a gap down, first thing. And as soon as it opened with a gap down, by 9:30 in the morning, the Daumantic method action told us buy put option now. Now as soon as it told us buy put option, we again go check the 10 points instruction. As per that, are we supposed to do this trade? Yes, we had to do this trade. So we buy a put option. So when we buy a put option, we got a strike price of 1,400 strike price, and we got it at a premium of 43 rupees. I'm talking about 9:30 in the morning. And after we bought this put option, the price went down sharply further. And as it goes down, by 11 o'clock in the morning itself, there is a signal at the bottom asking you to secure your profits. Now obviously this is a major dynamic signal. Whenever this appears, it means get ready, the price is likely to take a U-turn. So when the dynamic live is giving us so much information, now why wait? Let's secure the profit. So when we exit this put option, it is almost trading at 101 rupees. Bought it at 43, now it is at 101 rupee where we are exiting it. All right. So now in this trade, one lot of MGL is almost 800, the lot size. So the investment that we would have made is around 34,400 rupees, and by the time we exited, the profit gained is almost 46,400. This is again more than 110, 120% returns on your investment. Is it not? So all that we did is just follow the system. There is nothing much in this Daumantic method, but still I'm doing this because many members have requested. So I thought maybe it will be very useful to them. Maybe tomorrow when they go about trading there, it will be helpful to you also. So that is the reason. But then the trades are very simple. There is nothing much to discuss on this. But still, some of you may be thinking there is a gap down in MGL. Before the gap down, what did the dynamic live tell us? Because we claim that before any major gap down, this dynamic live tells us in advance that this price is going to go down. All right. So if you observe this dynamic live on 5th of March, see, the beauty of this price movement is before a major movement, what is the preparation that's happening? On 5th of March, the price of MGL is actually increasing. It's making a new high. But as it was making a new high right at the top in dynamic live, it gave us a signal. And this signal, as you all know, it means get ready, the price is about to reverse. Now when the signal has come, at least those people who have taken a buy position previously, what they will do here is they will secure their profits. All right. Some people will directly think of exiting. Not just exiting, we can also go about taking the opposite trade right at the stop. But yes, we are talking about Daumantic method here. As you all know, Daumantic method is a very simple, easy trading method which everyone can follow. In order to gain more, there is one more called dynamic superpower trading method. But in this video, we are talking about Daumantic method, isn't it? So we wait for the action to tell us to do a trade, then we enter into it, and when it tells us to exit, that's the time we exit the trade. All right. But anyways, as you see, as of now, the price has reached the dynamic major signal at the bottom. From there, it's been trading very flat. But then, along with this, if you look at the information at the bottom, the daily long trend, it says sell short, wait and act. What does it mean? When the price of the stock came down sharply, the daily long trend said sell short, wait and act, which also means that don't sell it here. The price may not go down further. It may start reversing from here. Be careful. All right. Anyways, those of us who bought a put option, we have already secured the profit. The trade is over. All right. But then going forward, Monday, if the price starts going up and if this ID3 long signal gives you a clear buy, all right, then go ahead. There is a trade opportunity we are all waiting for. We can definitely get into this trade to gain some profit. Is it not? Same way, the one day before that, the 5th of March, there was this other stock called Tata Chemicals, regarding which we had sent you a mail. Let's see about this stock's trade. So in Tata Chemical, the entry came on 4th of March itself. It is not on 5th of March. The entry came on 4th of March. So 4th of March around 2:30 in the afternoon, when the price of the stock was increasing, this Domantic method told us buy call option now. The reason why it said buy call option is that in ID3, there was a zigzag breakout, there is a zigzag buy signal. So based on that, it told us buy call option now. So as per the 10 points instruction, we again check it. It is a clear trade opportunity. Both ID3 long and intra-week long are in favor of this trade. The trade is in favor of the direction. So we go ahead, do this trade. So when we did this trade, it is a 1030 strike price call option that we enter. And we get a premium at 22 rupees on 4th of March. And once the entry is taken, now we carry forward this trade at the end of 4th of March because we did not get any exit. By 5th of March, the price goes up further, and once it reaches another signal at the top, now it is time for us to secure some profit. By that time, this call option that we have bought is now trading at 63 rupees premium. So we bought at almost 22 and exiting at 63 rupees. The lot size of the stock, if you're trading in F&O segment, is almost 550 minimum quantity. So the investment required is 12,100 rupees. All right, 550 into 22 rupees premium. And when we exit at 63 rupees, the profit earned is 23,550. It is almost close to 200% returns on your investment. All right. So this is how easy the trade was done. But then as of today, 7th of March, if you see, after we exited on 5th of March, from there it has continuously gone up. Now some of you must be wondering, why did we exit there in the first place? When the price has gone up so much, exiting early, we have missed such a big opportunity. Well, if you have seriously understood things in the training properly, and especially trading in options, when a dynamic system caution signal appears there, we secure our profits. In options, what do is we secure our profits by exiting the trade, but again, we make sure we continue with the call option. Now, how to do this? You secure your profit, put the profits in your pocket, but still hold on to this position. How to do that? This is the beauty of trading in options. These details are conveyed in the workshop very clearly to you. The same trade, if you're doing in futures, you will be holding that long position till date. Even in options, you will be holding a call option till date. All right. But on 5th of March, we secured the profit once. We pocketed some money, safeguarded that profit. From there, the market increased. Out of the profits, now further the trade continued. The profits itself have generated more profits. By now, it is even bigger. But then, as of 5th of March, that trade has fetched you close to 200% return. All right. This is how easy, simple, and very effective way one could have traded using the Domantic method. Is it not? So, as many of you have requested, I hope this video gives you more clarity. You have to understand the purpose of sending that mail and also doing this video is, those of you who are trading as per the Domantic method, it makes your job easy. These mails and these videos helps you revise whatever you have understood in the workshop, so that in future when you sit there and do the trading, your trade becomes, doing the trade becomes very easy. You don't have to get stuck at some point, what decision you're supposed to take. You're not going to take any decision. The instruction that has been given to you, the 10 points instruction, your job is to just go through that, read it, all right? Read the heading. The heading describes what is the market scenario that it is talking about. Does the current market scenario fit into any one of them? Whichever it fits into, whatever instruction has been given there, just replicate it, execute it as it is. If that much, if you can do it, then there's nothing better than this, is it not? I hope you're all going to gain a lot through this video. We will do many more like this in the coming days. All right. See you again in the next session. Till then, good day to all of you. Thank you.